Hi, I'm Jason from MTX Audio. Today we're going to talk about our new audio solutions for the Pro XP behind me, so stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to walk you through adding our rear speaker system with RGB to the Pro XP OEM kit. But first things first, we have to do just a little bit of dismantling. To remove the hood, remove the two T40 Torx bolts. Now that the hood is off, remove the dashboard's two T40 bolts. Remove the two gray trim pieces on either side of the steering column. Lift out and remove the center storage pocket. Now we're going to want to remove the passenger side gray trim pieces. And the four T20 bolts holding in the glove box. And then we're going to want to go ahead and remove the 7 T40 bolts along the dash to loosen it. Keep in mind there are two hidden behind the steering column, one on the left and one on the right. Slide your tweeter pod up. Remove the two push pins under the hood. Carefully lift up on the fender to release the side of the dashboard. Do the same on the other side. With the dashboard release, we're going to want to remove it from the vehicle. Remove passenger side glove box. Remove the seats for easier access to the center console. In the back of the center console, we're going to start by removing two T40s on either side. Open the center console and unlock the rear compartment and lift out of the vehicle. Along the side of the driver's center console, release the T40s that hold it to the floor. Lift up on the gray center panel and carefully pull the driver's side center console plastic away. For the rear speaker harness, you want to push the single connector up into the center of your dash while running the two to the rear. All right, now it's time to go ahead and connect our RGB controller to our pulse style connector. To do that, we use solder and seal connections. So let's go ahead and get that done. To provide power for our RGB system, we're going to utilize a pulse connector. These are not included with the kit, but these can be found online at various sources. Locate the rear speaker adapter harness in your kit. Next, we're going to plug the rear speaker harness into the Ride Command's rear speaker output that can be found on the driver's side of the center tray. Make your rear speaker connections, your RGB connections, and plug your pulse adapter into the pulse bank. If you're not using the pulse connection to power your RGB, you can use the power and ground studs that are located right next to the pulse bank. Now we're going to move on to the rear speakers. Locate the position you want to mount them in. Install the clamp around the bar. Using the provided hardware, tighten it into place. To make it easier to run your wires, remove the 2 push pins from the back of the vehicle. At this point, we're going to make our rear speaker connections, running our wire away from anything that could possibly get hot. Zip tie it into place. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Go ahead and test everything out. You want to do this prior to putting the vehicle back together. All right, now that we've tested the system and know there's nothing wrong there, we can start reassembling this vehicle. Now that we've got the vehicle all wrapped up and tested, as you can see, it's not that difficult to put in. It takes a little bit to take the vehicle apart and reassemble it, but other than that, the kit itself is not bad. But if you have any questions, hit us up on any of our social media sites or call our tech line. We'd love to hear from you. Until then, keep the wheel side down and we'll see you on the trails.